Alright, let's talk about the Glamory Micro Lift System. You've probably seen those ads promising flawless, glowing skin with just a few at-home treatments. But is this little gadget actually worth your money? Or are you about to get scammed? Here's the truth. While micro-infusion technology has real benefits, Glamory as a company raises some red flags. They're not accredited by the Better Business Bureau, and reports of late shipments, mystery ingredients, and missing parts are piling up. Even worse, a lot of people have been double-charged or trapped in surprise subscriptions. Some even call the company outright fraudulent. Trustpilots had to remove fake reviews for them too. Yikes. So, does the product itself work? Honestly, it's a mixed bag. Some users say their skin feels smoother and more hydrated, but just as many complain the device doesn't actually infuse the serum, or that parts were missing from the box. If you're still curious and want to try it anyway, here's how to use it safely. Step 1. Wash your face thoroughly and dry it. Get rid of all makeup and lotions. Step 2. Unseal the device and connect the micro needle head to the serum bottle. Step 3. Flip the bottle upside down for a minute, or shake it gently 3 times so the serum soaks into the needles. Step 4. Gently stamp or roll the tool across your face. Don't press hard, and never go over the same area twice. Step 5. When you're done, toss the needle head, never reuse it, and don't use any harsh skincare for the next day or two. Last, a few must-know warnings. Always check what's actually in that serum. Ingredients aren't always listed. Use a secure payment method like credit card or PayPal in case you need a refund. And please patch test near your ear first. Some folks have had painful reactions and even blisters. Bottom line, Glamory's microlift might work for some, but between the company's sketchy history and real safety concerns, I'd be extra cautious before hitting buy.